finally I got my hands on this viral hot air brush by Urban Yog, and the moment I saw this on internet I had to try this. So let's unbox it. And also guys, this is not an sponsored video, so let's unbox it together. Look at the result. 100% approved.